Black coffee can heal if consumed the right way. Yes, you heard it right. Drinking black coffee has numerous health benefits as it is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients. Let's have a look at some of the most important health benefits of drinking black coffee. 1. Improves performance during workout. One of the biggest and best benefits of black coffee is that it drastically improves your physical performance and helps you to give your 100% during a workout session. This is the reason why your gym trainer asks you to have black coffee before you come for workout. 2. It boosts memory. Increasing age leads to decreased cognitive skills and increased risk of dementia, Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Having black coffee in the morning enhances the brain function. Black coffee helps the brain to stay active and thus helps in boosting the memory power. It also keeps the nerves active, which in turn keeps dementia at bay. Studies say regular consumption of black coffee reduces risk of Alzheimer's by 65% and Parkinson's by 60%. 3. Beneficial for liver. Liver is one of the most vital organs of our body as it performs so many important functions. And did you know your liver loves black coffee? Black coffee helps prevent liver cancer, hepatitis, fatty liver disease and alcoholic cirrhosis. People who drink 4 or more cups of black coffee every day have 80% lower chances of developing any liver disease. Coffee helps by lowering the level of harmful liver enzymes in the blood. 4. Improves cardiovascular health. Though drinking black coffee on a regular basis increases the blood pressure temporarily, but this effect diminishes over time. Drinking 1-2 cups of black coffee every day reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases including stroke. Black coffee also reduces the inflammation level in the body. 5. Makes you intelligent. Coffee has a psychoactive stimulant which, when reacts with the body, has the ability to improve energy, mood, cognitive functioning and thus makes you smart over a period of time. 6. Decreases diabetes risk. Drinking black coffee daily helps to reduce the risk of diabetes, which in later age can lead to organ damage and heart diseases. It was seen people who drank 2 or less cups of coffee had increased risk of diabetes. Coffee helps in controlling diabetes by increasing insulin production. Both caffeinated and decaffeinated coffee help in prevention of diabetes. 7. Cleanses your stomach. Coffee is a diuretic beverage, thus it makes you want to urinate often. So, that is why when you drink black coffee without sugar, all the toxins and bacteria are flushed out easily in the form of urine. This helps to clean your stomach. 8. Helps in weight loss. Black coffee helps in rapid weight loss by making you work out more if you have it 30 minutes before you hit the gym. Black coffee helps to boost metabolism by approximately 50%. It also burns the fat in the tummy since it is a fat-burning beverage. It also stimulates the nervous system, which signals the body to break down the fat cells and use them as a source of energy as opposed to glycogen. 9. Powerhouse of antioxidants. Black coffee is the powerhouse of antioxidants. Black coffee contains vitamin B2, B3, B5, manganese, potassium and magnesium. 10. Makes you happy. Drinking black coffee improves your mood and thus makes you happy. It is also one of the best remedies to fight depression. Have 2 cups of black coffee every day to keep depression at bay. So these are the 10 science-backed health benefits of black coffee. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.